Back again, Jose at 50 Minutes Mug. Today we're working on a 2004 Mercedes C230 compressor. Customer replaced spark plugs, coils, switch them around, check wiring and everything. We scanned the car and we had a misfire on number 2. When it's cold, it runs great. When it gets hot, it starts running really bad. So on this one, we check the coils, recheck the coils and the spark plugs for customer request. And then after that, most obvious thing, go for the injectors check, fuel pressure, make sure the coil is firing, the spark plug is not broken or also firing. So we check the coils, spark plugs, they look pretty good, they're firing. So next step before doing the injector, because it's really hard to work on these cars to replace injectors, we went and did compression test. We disable the gas first. You can crank the engine direct from the starter signal wire or disable the gas. On this case, we disable by removing fuse to a fuel pump, okay? And then we crank. We did a compression on number 4, okay? Right there, 170. Really good compression on this car. Then we're gonna do the number 2 right there. So now we're gonna do the compression on number 2. We're gonna crank the engine and then see what is the compression. So right there, we only get 100 psi on this cylinder number 2. So definitely something with the engine, okay? So we're gonna call the customer and advise what he wants to do. But thank you for watching. Any comments, concerns, or if you want a video to upload for your particular car, let us know. But on this one, problem solved. Low compression number 2. Thank you for watching.